Ladies and gentlemen, let's present about journal from Jasniati. Let's bring from the attention.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, hi everyone. My name is Jasniati, and today I like to share a bit about one of the important topic in managerial accounting, which is accounting journal. Alright, let's move on to the main topic, definition of journal. It can be said that a journal in accounting refers to a record of all transactions such as income, expense, cash, or other data related to financial transaction. This journal is compiled routinely over a specific time period. So, the definition of an accounting journal is a record of all business transactions carried out routinely over a certain period time. Why journals in accounting are so important? Journal in accounting is very important because it helps in recording, monitoring, and controlling financial transactions, as well as provide accurate and up-to-date information for business decision making. Function of the accounting journal. A recording. A journal serves as a record of all transactions and other business activities. This record includes capital, expense, asset, and the trial balance. All data is recorded completely, so the journal can produce accurate financial reports. Analysis. Every transaction must first be analyzed. The result of this analysis are the entered into the accounting journal entries. Historical. The historical function relates to the daily recording process. The recording process is also based on the date and type of activity or transaction that occurred. Types of accounting journals. General journal. General journal can be defined as a journal that contains all records of financial transaction conducted by a company within a specific time period. The general journal recording process is carried out according to the transaction date. The purpose of the journals is to make financial management easier. Now, let's look at an example of a general journal. On January 1st, 2025, the company purchased equipment for 200,000 rupiah. The equipment is debit for 200,000 rupiah and cash is credit for 200,000 rupiah. On January 5, 2025, the company paid rent expense. The rent expense account is debit for 100,000 rupiah and cash is credit for 100,000 rupiah. On January 10, 2025, the company paid part of its account payable. So, account payable is debit for 50,000 rupiah and cash is credit for 50,000 rupiah. From this example, we can see that each transaction has two sides, a debit and credit, which keeps the accounting equation balanced. Special journals. Types of special journals include purchase journal, sales journals, cash receipt journals, and cash Disbursement journals. Each journal records a specific type of transaction according to its journal name. For example, the purchase journal is used specifically to record all purchase transaction. Adjusting journal entries. Adjusting journal entries are used to record balance in specific accounts where the total amount of all transactions can be seen. Under the actual method, revenue is earned when transaction occur. This means that all expense and income are recorded when the transaction occurs, not when cash is received. This journal also function to calculate expense and income for a period. To create an adjusting journal entry at real balance, analysis accounts, records of inconsistent transaction data, and unrecorded transactions are recorded. Closing journal entry, as the name suggests, this journal entry is prepared at the end of a financial report period. Its purpose is to prepare the final balance sheet and close nominal account. Therefore, data in temporary account is transferred to permanent account. Components such as revenue, profit, and expense are included to temporary account. These are the components that will be closed in the ledger at the end the year. Closing temporary accounts result in a company capital balance by the sum as the balance sheet and the end of the period. Reversing entry. This journal is also called a reversing entry. Reversing entries are prepared to prevent duplicate account and reverse adjusting entry to create a balance sheet account. This journal entry is not mandatory. It means that a reversing entry may or may not be made. Are there any questions? So the definition of an accounting journal is a record of all business transactions carried out routinely for a certain period of time.
Should all types of transactions be recorded on journal or only those that affect the company's financial position?
We can do.
All types of transactions be recorded on the journal or only those that affect the company's financial position?
Only transaction that affect that company financial possession should be recorded, because the purpose of the journal is to track change in financial accounts such as assets, liability, and equity. Thank you. Any question?
Thanks much for giving me this chance, Jasmine. I would like to ask you about why is a journal important in accounting?
Journal in accounting is very important because it helps in recording, monitoring, and controlling financial transactions.
So, if the data in the journal is inaccurate, can business decisions based on the journal still be trusted?
No. Why? Because if the journal contains errors, the financial reports will also be incorrect, which can lead to wrong or even harmful business decisions.
Okay, I get it. Thank you, Jasmine.
Any question?
Thank you. My question is, what is the first principle in preparing an accounting journal?
Can you repeat?
My question is, what is the first principle in preparing an accounting journal?
Ada itu sih, ada tambahnya di sini, ada itu sih, ya, ya, dan ini karena
Can you repeat, Sri?
ya,
My question is, what is the first principle in preparing an accounting journal?
The first principle is identifying evidence of transaction such as notice, receipts, or invoice.
Thank you for answer.
Thank you. Any question?
Me. Okay, thank you, Jasmine. So my question is, what is the purpose of a closing journal entries?
To close accounts such as revenue and expense, and to prepare the final balance and at the end of the period.
Okay, so can an error in the closing journal affect the beginning balance of the next period?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Any question?
Greetings, my name is Amal. My question is, what is the difference? What is the difference between a general journal and a special journal?
A general journal records all financial transactions in general, while a special journal records specific types or transactions such as purchase, sales, cash receipts, and cash disbursement.
Thanks for the answer.
Thank you.
It is already 5 questions.
Harus berani saya. Saya tahu ada beberapa orang takut ketahuan. Jangan. Karena nggak sama-sama berada di sini. Sama. Come on. Siapa yang mau bertanya? You want a question? Please. Don't pause here. You ask question. Keras suara.
My question is, what is a general journal?
General journal can be defined as a journal that contains a record of financial transaction conducted by a company within a specific time period.
So why do we make a general journal?
Because the purpose of this journal is to make financial management easier.
Can you give me example for general journal?
Now look at an example for a general journal. On January 1st, 2025, the company purchased equipment for 200,000 rupiah. The open equipment is debit for 200,000 rupiah and cash is credit for 200,000 rupiah.
Okay, thank you.
Berapa letter tadi? Berapa letter? 2, 3.
3, sir.
Okay, let me ask you a question. General journal. Is there any specific journal? Or special journal?
Yes.
General journal. Specific or special journal? Come on. Is there any special journal? Come on. Special journal. Are there any special journal? Is there any special journal? Special journal.
Can you repeat question, sir?
Question. Okay. Is there any special journal? If there is general journal, the question is there any special journal? Specific journal?
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between special journal and general journal?
Special journals, types of special journals include purchase journals, sales journal, cash receipts journals, and cash disbursement journals.
Special journal and
Meanwhile, general journal can be defined as a journal that contains a record of financial transaction conducted by company within a specific time period.
okay. So when can I make special journal? When can I make special journal?
In every transaction.
Once again?
In every transaction. In every transaction. And the general journal recording process is carried out recording to the transaction date.
So during one period, for example, January, from January, 1 January up until 31 of December, yes? Do you think I have to also write special journal?
Can you repeat question, sir?
Do you think during one financial report from 1 January 2025 up until 31 of December 2025, I make special journal?
Coba jadi jurnal khusus pada tanggal Desember sebenarnya. Apa kreditnya, weh? Weh, Rizka, apa kreditnya?
You understand the question?
Oh, bukan disuruh buat
Yes. No. Why?
Because the special journal
yang bersedia Januari ke 31 Desember. No. Yes. I don't know.
because just like
Why? Yes or no? Why? You answer no. Why? You answer why? Yes, why? Berapa hari dalam setahun? 365 hari. Wajar kan kalau terjadi hal yang khusus logika umum. Wajar kalau ada kejadian transaksi khusus dalam 360 hari. Justru tidak wajar kalau tidak ada. Justru tidak wajar 360 hari. Masa tidak ada transaksi? Masa tidak ada? Yang khusus itu seperti teori ini. Saya bukan bisa lakukan, saya tapi yang ada sedangkan dengan pertanyaan logika. Coba masuk akal kan? Dalam penjelasan dari Januari sampai Desember tidak ada transaksi khusus. Masa sih? Coba siapa dulu tidak ada? Apa alasannya kok tidak ada? Itu dia kita mau spesial jadi. Coba tanya di sini. Tidak usah ditanya di sini. Kamu saja. Masa sih? 360 hari tidak ada transaksi khusus. Apakah ada pertanyaan?
Sir.
Yang biasanya itu sekali logik. Logik kali. Jangan menghafal logik masuk akal. Karena ada data di kampus untuk mengaktifkan pikiran logik, bukan menghafal. Boleh lah menghafal, tapi itu kan belajar yang paling benar. Ini katanya kalau menghafal tidak pernah diajarkan atau apa. Tidak ada yang bertanya begini.
Excuse me, sir. I think Jasniati misunderstood your question before.
So why didn't you ask me again? Can you repeat your question? I have repeated several times for my question. Misunderstand? I have asked you several times, starting from 1 January 2025 up until 31st December 2025 this year. Do you see? Sorry. Is there any special channel? Can you make a special channel? You can. If there is a special transaction, itu jawabannya toh. Bagaimana Dwi?
Yes, sir.
If your knowledge of basic accounting is good, yes, you must be able to answer my question. Any question? On the other hand, if your knowledge of English is less, you can also answer because your knowledge of accounting is good. Yes. On the other hand, if your knowledge of English, your basic knowledge of accounting is less, yes, minimum, but your English, but you can speak in English, although a little bit, you can answer my question. Sorry, sir. Difficult. I can answer like this, blah, 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 blah. So, your knowledge of English, critical questions, critical thinking, increase, meningkat, and deep, mendalam, deeply. And your knowledge of basic accounting also improve. Why? Yes, you can receive and you get information, another information from questions, from friends, etc. So, how many questions? 3, 4. For this one? For this one? Okay. For me, how many questions? Did you like your question? Okay. Okay, that's it. You can cross it.
glossarium. Debit and credit, two sides of a journal entry. Debit for increasing asset or decreasing liabilities, and credit for the opposite. Closing journal. Journal entries are made at the end of a period to close a nominal account such as revenue and expense. Reversing entry. A journal created to reverse the existing journal at the beginning of the next period to prevent double recording. The presentation that I can convey to my friends. If there are any mistakes, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.